You want to do it too?
No.
Okay.
Come on, I want to show you something. That owl.
Oh my goodness gracious, I love owls.
Come on. You think what I'm thinking?
What are we thinking?
A picture over here.
Okay, well I'm actually filming video.
This is an owl.
That is an owl, and it's a cool owl. Okay, y'all, today is a very special day. I got lots of guests. I got Isaac rules the world. I got Jackson. I got Ember. I got Emmy. I got Grammy. And I got Low Gray. You get to inherit the name. Okay, I got a little higher than Low Gray. A little higher gray.
I'm a Wookie if I'm any furry creature from Star Wars.
We'll do it. Do it. There we go.
What do you call a fish with no eyes?
Blind. Okay. I got a little bit of it. Oh, I guess it won't hurt you. Just watch out.
Subscribe!
Okay, so they telling me to get this for Tim. Y'all, Tim's at work today. So we're filming trees for Papa Tim, for Tim. So, you know, what did a little bit tiny man rode these in a never-ending story?
He's a regular size man.
He's a regular size man. Was it a giant snail? It was bigger than this one.
Yep. Oh, yeah, it was a lot bigger than that.
This reminds me, it's a giant African land snail. Wow. He looks like a...
are still, like, really big.
He looks like, over there when you look at him, he looks like a slinky.
That right there, that picture is probably about actual size of what that thing would be. I've seen them on Coyote Pack, Coyote Peterson.
Okay.
Well, I found Coyote Peterson and introduced Jackson to it.
Oh, okay.
These, some of these bugs aren't, they're not really spot on, I don't think, but this sculpture right here, they really snailed the details.
Y'all, he sounds so much like Daddy right now. I don't know whether to laugh or cry.
I think they really snailed it.
They snailed it, okay. This is a hissing cockroach. Look, see, this is it. This is that Florida azalea. And it's just beautiful.
Ah! Those buff-tailed bumblebees!
Is that...
Now you can tell they're both female because they're not redwood uncles.
Yeah, tell us, Low Gray.
The redwood ants.
Y'all, if you need to know, he inherited that name. That's what he called my daddy.
He was chief of the Ewok.
Look at this little guy. Ain't he cute? He looks so snuggly.
The Madagascar fire millipede.
Oh, gee, look. We're going to have a stare down.
I'm going to have a real description.
Okay.
These foreign forms, blazingly red arthropods inhabit the forest floors of Madagascar. They do their part to keep the ecosystem in check by living on the plentiful dead leaves and rotting wood. Their vibrant red bodies are complemented by their bright orange feet, which can readily shift between moving backwards and forwards. Non-poisonous popular as pets, they curl up form fireballs in your hands.
Oh my gosh. Wow. So it's kind of like a roly-poly.
That's a 1,000-legged one.
It's a millipede, but it rolls into little fireballs in your hands. So it's like a roly-poly.
All millipedes do that.
I didn't know.
They do.
Call them roly-polies.
You ain't played with enough bugs in your life.
I ain't about to start now, neither.
Last bug.
Hey, look. 2 bees
Or not.
and not 2 bees.
I I'm trying, but Grunkle was up here doing a comedy routine I couldn't miss.
You need water.
You need water?
That was horrifying.
That was horrifying, wasn't it? What'd you got, Ember?
Water.
Where'd you get it?
From that water machine.
There's a water machine. Cool.
I didn't go far enough. Anyone need water?
Well, here, fix me a cup. Can you fix me a cup? Here, oh, you're gonna do it? Okay, all right, there we go.
First, you pull this cup out.
There you go.
And now, press this button. Drink your water. Trash, and find the trash can and ba-bam.
Ba-bam. Thank you so much.
Have it.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
That's so cool. Now watch. Crush. Finish the water first.
Amber,
Hmm?
where's the binoculars?
Round my neck.
Oh, okay. Put it under the trash can up there.
We're doing something. All right, let's go to trash can. Who's the king of the mountain? This guy.
Where her ears actually are going to be located are right on the sides of her face. If you guys see that stiff ring of brown feathers, it's going to make that facial disc. Her ears lie right behind those. They're going to be these really massive openings on the sides of her head. Your red-tailed hawks are going to be much lighter in coloration than Tilden, almost completely white on their chest and belly feathers with a very peachy red tail. So they look where you find them. And because of that, they're often very misidentified. Even juvenile birds look quite different from the adults. They talked about, I already mentioned that earlier, remember with Olive? She didn't have those two little feather tufts, but I did say kind of a sign language that they can use to communicate with each other by flicking these plumicorns up and down. And she's also a natural predator of red-tailed hawks, bald eagles, and peregrine falcons. So this bird is completely capable of going out to a mated pair of bald eagles sitting on their nest, taking the current tenants off of that nest,
Oh my
feasting on the
goodness.
bald eagle chicks, and taking that nest over. Another reason a lot of people say that they don't like vultures, you can kind of see it whenever Vinny is up here, they have that bald head, right? So they look a lot different from the other types of raptors, especially the ones you've met in this program. But I also see quite a few people out in the audience today that also have a bald head. So we can't really hold that against the vultures
Well, Papa
either.
Tim ain't with us, is he?
But I'm gonna start it off with one day, a trainer walked into Vinny's enclosure, right? And he was wearing bright blue shoelaces. And Vinny loves the color blue for whatever reason. So Vinny walked right up to this trainer, started untying his shoes, and the trainer was wearing a pack, just like mine. He had food in it for Vinny to do his training for the day. So whenever he bent down to tie his shoes back,
The food
all
fell
of his
out.
food fell out onto the ground. Vinny gobbled it up really fast, and he was untying shoes for the next 3 months. He remembered that I untied this guy's shoes, and I
Got
get a huge
food.
reward for it, right? Sometimes he even goes after our shoelaces today, and that was about 7 years ago. So he's extremely, extremely intelligent. Off a little bit. So the vulture took off, and she got in her car, she thought everything was normal, and then she heard a thud on the top of her roof. The vulture
Yeah, no problem. Thank y'all for coming.
Look at there. That's the star of the show.
Come on, Vinny, spread them wings. I want to see it.
Should have been Elvis.
You can put them up. Spread your wings.
Sunday.
He's like, look at all these people.
I don't know.
It's like there's cameras pointing. I gotta smile.
Isn't he cute?
That was very interesting. That was very good. Oh, there he goes.
I got him.
This
They're
is
beautiful,
Yep.
aren't they?
It's going to be 6, 7, 8.
Here comes Peter Cottontail hopping down the bunny trail.
Smile, y'all.
Hippity hoppity, Easter's already gone. Okay,
Film the video.
it's videoing. The whole time I was singing that song, I was videoing.
All right, move. Do something.
Don't
Do
touch
something
it.
interesting. Not touch the bunny.
Don't touch it.
Do something besides touch the bunny. Come on, buddy.
Why is the bunny?
don't have any, sweetheart.
How much cracker did you fish get?
Them fish are rich, ain't they?
Yeah!